and it's Rosie Rascal from sunny and cold Florida. Today we will find out why in Florida it literally can rain iguanas.
Did you say rain iguanas?
Yes, iguanas.
Leguane. Es soll Leguane regnen. Bist du ein bisschen verwirrt? Are you a little discombobulated?
Seriously, this week it might rain iguanas.
Wie geht das denn? How is this possible?
What is a reptile?
Was ist ein Reptil?
A reptile is an animal. An animal which is cold-blooded. This means that it cannot regulate its own body temperature and depends on its surroundings to do so.
Ein Reptil ist ein Tier mit kaltem Blut. Ein Kaltblüter. Das bedeutet, dass es seine Körpertemperatur nicht selbst regeln kann. Es hängt von seiner Umgebung ab, um warm zu bleiben.
Which is why a reptile is generally found in a warm climate, enjoying the sun.
Darum findet man Reptilien oft in warmem Klima, wo sie die Sonne genießen.
Is a lizard a reptile? Are crocodiles and alligators reptiles? Is a turtle a reptile?
Schlangen.
Are snakes reptiles?
How about dinosaurs?
Dinosaurs. Yes, those too. However, they are extinct, which means they are no longer alive today.
Dinosaurier? Die gibt's doch überhaupt gar nicht mehr.
This week, Florida is expecting a blizzard. A blizzard, which means we are expecting very cold weather in Florida. When the outside temperatures drop, so are the iguanas dropping from the sky.
Sie übertreibt mal wieder. Eidechsen fallen von den Bäumen und nicht aus dem Himmel.
Okay, you're right. They're falling out of the trees and not the sky. However, if you look at the sky and the iguanas are falling out of the trees, then theoretically they are falling out of the sky. Right? Iguanas depend on their surroundings to stay warm. If the temperature drops below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 10 degrees Celsius, the lizards become stunned by the cold. Iguanas sleeping in the trees will lose their grip and fall off the sky. Well, off the tree, really.
Are the iguanas still alive?
They are alive. They're just unable to move. So please do not take them home with you, or in your car, or make a gift to your friend, or put it under your grandmother's chair. The iguana will wake up at one point.
Are iguanas dangerous?
No, not really. The iguanas run away from us humans if they can. However, if you do corner them, they can bite you, scratch you, or whip you with their tail. This is Rosie Rascal reporting from chilly Florida. I'll see you soon on the next show. Stay warm.
Hello everybody, it's vocabulary time. I read and you repeat. What is a reptile? A reptile is an animal which is cold-blooded. How is this possible? Rain. Iguana. Discombobulated. Are you discombobulated? Is a lizard a reptile? Yes. A lizard is a reptile. Tree. Sky. Cold. Warm. Can it rain iguanas? Dangerous. Are iguanas dangerous? This week, it is cold in Florida. This week, it might rain iguanas in Florida. This is Rosie Rascal reporting from chilly Florida. I'll see you soon on the next show. Stay warm. Stay warm, y'all. I am out of here. Goodbye.